So if you want to create a landing page for your website, or if you want to just create a landing page using Mailchimp here, well, this one is quite easy. So how do you create one? Well, first things first is you need to have an account here on Mailchimp. So if you already have an account, this is what you should be seeing. Now, usually you should be redirected to the homepage here. This is what you should be seeing first if your account is hurting you. But at the top left here, you should see the create button just above the homepage. Let's go and just press or click on it. Now in here, it's going to give you different options on what you want to create in here. So by default, you have three options. You have regular email, automation, and landing page. Now since we want to create a landing page here, let's go and click on build landing page. And you just need to specify your landing page name and also which audience. Now, by the way, if you haven't created your audience here, you should have the option to create your own. But in this case, let's go and just say this is going to be my test land. And let's go and click on begin. Now, once you do click on begin here, the great thing about Mailchimp here is they would actually guide you through the whole process. So you can go and choose a template that you want to use. Like for example, I want to use like a really minimalist design here. So let's go and choose this one, promote products. Now from here, it's going to give you different options or blocks that you can edit or add to your landing page. Like for example, if you want to add like an image with text or social follow here. So maybe I want to add a social follow. Let's go and just drag it in around in here, and you can go and just start adding it in here. So let's go and just add this block at the bottom of this section here for at the very top here. And if you click on certain elements, it should give you the option to start editing them. Like for example, the content itself, the style, and even the settings for it if you want to edit those. Now, if you want to go back, what you need to do is you just need to click on the save and close button here to save your changes. And again, you can go and start adding whatever you want. Now, maybe now I want to add like, let's just say a divider around this area. Let's go and drag it in here. As you can see here now, that's our divider. Like you go and click on it, change the padding bottom, the padding at the top here, and also the border section here if you want to change those, like the background as well. Just make sure to click on save and close here so that you can save your changes. Now, in this case, you go and just start adding whatever you want in here. Now, by the way, if you want to change the overall style of your landing page, you can go and click on style at the very top right here, and you can go and just choose like the page itself. What's the padding for it? Well, now if you want to edit the header, you go and edit this via this way. Now, if you want to edit like the footer section or the purchase, the about us, or the details, you go and just do that via this way. Now, once you are done, you go and just click on the save and close at the bottom right of your screen. And basically that would save your changes, whatever you've added to your landing page. Now, in here, you just need to provide the necessary details, like confirm a few things, like your URL, your audience, also the content here, and also a bunch of few details that you need to basically do. Now, by the way, if you want to save this for later, you could go and click on finish later. But if you want to publish this, you could go and click on publish, and that would actually publish your landing page. Now you can go and just click on the link that is provided in here or whatever you copied before, and this is now our landing page. As you can see here now, we made the changes of adding those social links and also a divider around the section here. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.